Channel. This is 2021 Fiat Doblo. Basically, what happened? Onboard computer say to the customer, keep driving. But however, customer ignore the message. He thought it's not necessary. But however, he didn't take a quick action. After 4 days, now have a look. His engine management light on. I know exactly what happened to this car. Basically, he not aware of the problem. That's why this light came on, and onboard computer identify his DPF partially blocked. That's why there could be problem. Yeah, we can do two things. We know because of the driver skill this DPF block. Then I'm going to plug in my computer and I'm going to take a faulty codes. If someone has a Fiat Doblo or Fiat's other models, what happen if they not maintain the DPF frequency? After that, it's coming P24A4 or something faulty code. This is very common. I done many in my past. Yeah, we'll see what's going on there. I'm thinking it's the same faulty code. But however, I know by experience this computer not allowed to do the job if it that faulty codes. We'll see. Then we have our another computer from the Mac tool. If this not one allowed, I'll try the other computer also. Well, first of all, we'll find out what's going on for this management light. This one bit interesting. No any faulty codes, but engine management light on. Right, okay. We'll go a little bit deeper. No need to panic. Even I'm not thinking this vehicle has a cancer. Could be small tummy ache. Okay, we'll see any faulty codes there. Yeah, see, P24A4 exactly. I know what's the faulty codes. That's why I said beginning. Right, I know this one not allowed to clean. Yeah, we'll try to clear completed, but still faulty code there. It's not allowed to delete. I know exactly. That's right. Never mind. Yeah, okay. I'm going to exit from here and go to the special function. Basically, my computer doesn't give any support for this one. Yeah, we can go to the DPF replacement, but once I go there, I know it will say it's not in the parameter. You can see this one need to right, it's in the parameter, right? Okay, right, need to temperature up in the correct level. Now you can see the temperature halfway up, right? And we need to find out the parameter. Engine raving 850 to 900 plus or minus. Now 860, that's good. And engine temperature need to be 70 but 82 88 basically. Yeah, that's good. Then I'm going to hit this button. Condition not correct. Right, okay, it's one not allowed to do basically. Right, okay, never mind. I'm going to try with my Mac tool computer. Recently we bought that computer. We'll try with our Mac tool computer and have a look what's going on. Okay, many people say the launch and the Mac tool, both using the same software. I'm going to check under engine control module. Yeah, same faulty code. I'm going to switch off the car, ignition on, and try to clear DTC. Fault cleared. Yeah, but still same. Right. I'm going back, and start the car and the special function. Exactly the same setup like the launch. Start. Same error message. I get it from there. No problem. Basically, two computers fail, and the next step, what I'm going to do, I'm going to disconnect my this tool also. Well, both same setup. Right. What I'm going to do now, you can see the our temperature exactly half a way up. Next step, I'm going to switch off the ignition, and I'm going to press clutch and brake pedal together and ignition on, and have a look the dashboard. I'm going to keep holding, keep holding, keep holding, keep holding still, still keep holding. However, that option not work for me. Right, nothing to worry. Again, I'm going to plug in my computer. Normally I don't want to do that one, but however I don't have any option at the moment. Right, okay, start the car. I'm going to the special function, engine, the special function. Continue. Must be performed when necessary. Particulate filter regeneration. Okay. Start the engine and press OK. Start the engine and press OK. Yeah, now you can see the automatically rev little bit high. We don't want to do anything. This is the way we need to sort out this warning light. Yeah, now we have to follow the old instruction what the computer give to us.
To be having a smart DPF. You didn't
Because you can see now left hand side DPF light on, other side engine management on. At the moment it's doing the process. Completed 98%, 99, 100. Yeah, process completed. You can see now engine raving go slightly down now. You can see it's 2000, it was 2500. Slowly back to the normal. Right, now it's normal. I need to go to the computer again. Yeah, proceed complete successful. Press OK. Yeah, I'm going to switch off the car. Right. I have to press OK. Turn ignition off. OK. I'm going to ignition on and start the car and have a look. Any engine management light? Yeah, still engine management light there. You can see. Right. What I'm going to do, I'm going to the computer again, switch off, ignition on, and read faulty codes and try to clear. Yeah, it's gone. Yeah, yeah. Okay, now we are going to switch off and start the car and have a look what happened to the engine management light. You can see it's disappeared. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Done the job. However, it's not going favor for me. Basically, I don't like to do the force regen. However, because of I have a 3 scan to latest 2024 update, but I couldn't do with all three. However, I'm waiting for another hotel or top down another scan tool. We'll see how it's going on, but unfortunately I had to do the force regen. Normally I'm not happy to do it because of this scenario. I had to do sometime we had to take some tricky decision sometime. Anyway, sometime you can try without computer, press gas pedal and the brake pedal together and ignition on. It will give the instruction in your dashboard. After that you have to start the car. Is doing auto regen process, but however I couldn't do this process. I tried to do, I couldn't do it, it's failed. Then after that I go with the computer, and now done and dust. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.